Today we are going to bake chicken. Lady O is going to show you guys how she bakes her chicken. Welcome to Lady O's chicken. Sorry. Hello guys, welcome to Lady O's kitchen. Oh, like guys, welcome to Lady O's kitchen. Today we are baking chicken. Lady O wants to show you guys how she bakes her chicken. Oh Lord, have mercy. Father, help Lady O. Thank you, Jesus. No waste of time. Well, I normally hear some people say they don't wash their chicken. Lady O washes her chicken. So I'm going to wash my chicken. I grew up seeing my mother washing her chicken, and whatever I cook, I wash it. Did I wash my hands? I'm so sorry. Let me wash my hands, please. Just at least. Let me wash my hands. Oh Lord, it's a lot. It's a lot. Okay, well, Lady O will wash her chicken. Normally I use warm water to wash my chicken, and I will not let it splash. So you see there is this corner, this blood. I normally make sure I bring out, I wash off that blood. But I don't normally remove the fat, so no, I bake my chicken with the fat. I bake my chicken with the fat. I wash off this blood. I don't just like it anyway. It's just my own twist. You guys know that whenever I'm cooking, I add my twist to whatever I cook. But tell me, how do people prepare chicken without washing it? I don't know. Okay. Guys, I'm going to rinse the chicken. This is the second time. Second rinsing. Second and the last. Then I will add salt. It's optional anyway. If you want to add salt, just to place it, you add it. If you don't want to add salt, it's okay. Just to make sure the chicken is very clean. Then I will clean up this area with awesome. So guys, this is my awesome. I only use this container to pour my awesome in. You can use any cleaning agent to sanitize your area. All right. Lady O is busy. Busy. Okay, let me bring out my seasoning agents. Guys, this is where Lady O stores all her seasoning agents. I have my Italian seasoning, diced onions. I have my thyme. I have my rosemary. What else do I need? I have this is my garlic powder, black pepper, black pepper, and of course salt. Salt. Now it depends on what I'm going to cook with this chicken. I don't use all these seasoning agents if I want to cook something like soup. But because I want to cook stew or jollof rice or coconut rice, that's why I need all these ingredients. So it depends on what you cook or what you want to cook with your chicken. You season it according to what you want to cook with it. So Lady O wants to cook stew with this chicken. The first thing is salt, so that the salt will really get into it and bring out the taste. You know, naturally every meat have their own taste, so it is the salt that will go and zoom the natural taste of the meat out. Italian seasoning. Guys, by the time you add all these seasoning agents, the taste, the flavor, the aroma that will come out from the chicken will be so good. Rosemary. Where's my thyme? This is diced onions. Ooh, the aroma. This is garlic. Yes, so it's going to be bam. Oh, black pepper. Yes, make it spicy. And then thyme. I'll also add real pepper. This is dry chili pepper. This is the Nigerian type. This is a Nigerian type that will make it to be too spicy. Very, very spicy. I want this chicken to be spicy. Very, very spicy. And of course, at the end of the baking, I'll use the chicken broth to cook other things, to add to my stew or to my rice. So what I normally do, I don't bake any of my meat product dry. I add water. Not too much water. It's going to be hot. Because if you bake any meat product dry without adding water, it will come out to be very dry. I don't like my meat product to be any kind of meat that I'm baking. I must add water to it, so that at the end it will be juicy and be melting in the mouth, and it will be very, very palatable. Make sure all the seasoning agents, the salt, gets into each and every one of them. I'll also taste for salt. I'll make sure the salt is enough. If the salt is not enough, I'll add more. You guys know that in this kitchen we don't measure. We do not. Let me taste for salt. Perfect. Then let me wash my hands because of the pepper. I have to wash my hands with soap so that the pepper will not pepper my hand. Guys, listen, let me tell you. Lady O does her things ahead and on time. The oven was already preheated, 350 degrees. So now that the chicken is well seasoned, see, with some water in it, I'm going to throw it into the oven, and from time to time I'll be checking on it and be basting it. Yes, I love basting everything that I cook. There you go. Ta-da! Okay, let's give it some time. Alright though, guys, let me just baste it. It's time for me to baste it, then I'll put it back to continue cooking. Let me make sure the whole taste goes round. Okay, you know what? Let me add chili just for the color. Yeah, it's going to give it a very good color. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, it's going to give it, see the color, it's going to give it a very good color. I'm basting it so that the taste will really get into the chicken. It will be very tasty. Very, very, very tasty. Guys, this is how Lady O bakes her chicken. Lady O's way. You guys know I normally add whatever I cook. I must add my own twist. I need space. I need space. Looking good. Okay, let me rinse my hand and test for salt. Nice. Salt is enough. Let me flip this over. Continue baking until it is ready. See you guys. Okay guys, Lady O, you know why I added some water to this chicken? It's one of the ways of me getting my chicken broth. This is how I get my chicken broth, but before I do that, let me baste it once more. I'll use it to cook either jollof rice, stew, or any kind of delicious meal. I don't need to get into the grocery store to buy chicken broth. This is how I get my chicken broth. Okay. Nice. Okay. Guys, that is my chicken broth. Then I'll put this back a little bit. Let it drain and dry a little bit, and then it will be ready. Let me quickly introduce you to what I did with my chicken broth. I just use it to prepare this delicious jollof rice that is bubbling. Okay, now let us check on the chicken. Beautiful. This is beautiful. Guys, this is how Lady O bakes her chicken. Let me just create a space and drop it right there. That is it, guys. Tell me how you like my chicken in the comment section. Thank you guys. Don't forget to watch, like, subscribe, and share. See you in my next episode of Delicious Meal from the Lady O's Kitchen.